Hello and welcome to the Aryzon unboxing and folding instructional video. Today we're going to have a look inside the Aryzon kit and see what you can do with your headset. So first of all, let's open up the box. Inside you'll find first a marker image. This is Aryzon's personal marker image. You use this for calibration and for multiple apps to place augmented reality content on top of. Let's put this aside for now. Inside the box you'll also find a short informational inlay with a QR code on where to find the Aryzon app, and inside the app you'll find the unfolding instructions to be able to fold your headset. Inside the box you'll also find the Aryzon headset. This comes as a one piece. It's flat packed and has everything pre-stuck so that you don't have to do any cutting or sticking yourself. Inside the box you'll also find a foam piece and a head strap. I'm going to put that aside for now because we're going to focus on assembling the headset. Now, to fold the headset, we recommend you first download the Aryzon app. This you can just find on the Play Store or on the App Store for iOS. Once you download the Aryzon app, you can go ahead and launch it. And inside you'll find the folding manual. The folding manual will give you step-by-step instructions on how to fold the headset. So I'm going to put this to one side, and we're going to use this to fold the headset. So the first step is to remove both the protective film from both the visor and the mirror underneath. Of course, you can't get to it like this. So let's first unfold the headset. This part just flips up in one piece. At this point you can see that you'll have a protective film on the mirror. This you can remove. Put to one side. And also on the inside you'll find another protective film on the visor. This you can also go in and remove. We recommend doing this before you build the headset because after it's all in one piece, it's going to be quite hard to reach those protective films. Now let's move on to the next step. Here you'll see that you have to put the lenses down into place. Now I've already done this to remove the film. What's advisable in this step is to make sure that the lenses actually click down into place. There are small little inlays for the cardboard here and down here, where you just make sure that they're all slotted in correctly, and this will keep the lenses in the correct place. Now let's move on to the next step. So to be able to get the visor, or the sun visor, let's call it, up and into place, you're going to have to fold in these side pieces, as indicated also on the cardboard. So you just push them in, and the fold line should be already pre-stenciled into the cardboard. Once you folded this in, you'll notice that it's not going to stay in place when you let it go. It's going to have the tendency to fold up. So you need to secure these flaps actually down and into place. You do this on the next step, where you use these side flaps to actually secure these parts. Let's do that now. First you fold these out, and then you push them into the headset. This can be a little bit fiddly, but once you have it the first time, it's relatively easy to do. So you just push them until they slot into place just like that. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side. And there. So they're both clicked into place. Now you might want to adjust the lenses to make sure they're still correctly aligned. There you go. Let's move on to the next step. So you're going to have to fold down these little Velcro pieces. This will come in handy for the foam piece, which we're going to put on later. That's quite an easy step. Now let's move on to the next one. Here we should turn around the headset to the front. And first, you take this little piece of cardboard on the right-hand side, fold it up into place. There's only one place it can go, and that's where it should be. Then, there are these two middle flaps that actually fold down and slot into the mirror. You're going to have to push these down and make sure that they slot into the little slot given. Then you can fold in the sides, and as should be said in the next step, you can fold up the panel and close the phone holder. There we go. So now your headset's almost done. Of course, it's not going to be very comfortable with this Velcro here because it's not the soft side of the Velcro but the hard side. So let's have a look at the next step. Well, in the app they say that you should attach the head strap next. Of course, you can use the headset without a head strap, in which case you should take the foam and just attach it to the Velcro just like that. Now this foam piece is actually designed to be removable, so you can just peel it right back off. And what we'll do next is attach the head strap, which is an optional accessory, but it does lead to a hands-free viewing experience for augmented reality experiences that, for instance, use AR kit tracking or AR core, where you can walk around the model without it needing to be attached to a target image. For this step, we're going to need the head strap. Now the head strap comes with actually 2 additional Velcro pieces. We'll leave these to the side for now. And we're going to put the head strap into the headset. First things first, let's make sure that the headset is not that the head strap is not upside down. So you can do this by just checking these Velcro pads on the side and making sure that the let's say the Velcro side of the head strap is aligned with the sides of the headset. This is where they're going to go once these get stuck on. Then you take the top side, and as instructed in the app, you put it through the top of the headset, down, and then loop it back around through the top part. This is going to be a little bit hard to show you guys, but I'm going to do my best. So as you can see, it's now in the headset, and what needs to happen is that it needs to go through this part in the visor and back out through here. There we go. So as you see, it comes right up through here. It's a little bit difficult because our tolerances are a little bit tight, but once it's through, and you can Velcro it on. Of course, if you have a larger or smaller head, you can always adjust this due to the fact that it's Velcro and place it in a different position. The last step for the head strap is to attach these 2 Velcro pieces, which come with an adhesive backing, so they're super easy just to peel off and attach in the pre-allocated position, which is right here. There we go. Make sure that they're stuck down quite properly. And you can do the same on the other side. And there we go. Now, just attach these 2 sides of the head strap, and bam, you're ready to go. Although, at this point, it's not going to be too comfortable because you still don't have the foam on there. So, like I said before, the foam's super easy to put on. Just fold this head strap out of the way and place the foam on the Velcro in the most comfortable position for you. You can always adjust this foam piece if it needs to be slightly higher, slightly lower. That's all up to personal preference and actually down to the shape of your face. So there you go. There's your fully assembled headset. So once your headset is all put together, we're going to go ahead and calibrate it. What you're going to need is the Aryzon marker, which came in your kit, and the headset fully assembled as we've just done. Now, in the Aryzon app, you'll find a calibration right here down at the bottom. And I've already calibrated, so I have a unique calibration code that's just for me. This code will be used for other augmented reality apps that use the headset to make sure that each app is calibrated to your specific eye distance, your smartphone, and your headset. So let's go ahead and recalibrate in this case. The app actually outlines why you should calibrate. It's mostly due to the differences in phones, the differences in eye distances, the differences in headset. So let's go ahead and start the process. And here it asks you for a QR code. The QR code on the headset is actually located right on the back, just down here. And we can scan that with the phone. Once it grabs that QR code, it'll automatically push you on to the next step, which is to put your phone in the headset. From here, all you got to do is open up the headset, place your phone inside.
Hold the physical marker up in view of your phone's camera.
And it's already started, but it should lead you through how to calibrate your headset and your phone. This is going to be the same for everyone, so I'm going to let you experience augmented reality for the first time in your own way. And also, it's going to be incredibly hard to film this process, so I'd rather not do that. Now, I wish you all good luck with the folding of the headset, and also I wish that you will enjoy all the applications that we have available for you, and that you really, if you're interested in developing any apps for augmented reality, you give this a try, because we have an open source SDK, an active developers forum, and we really want people to get engaged with creating apps for their smartphone that use stereoscopic augmented reality. So thank you for your time, and goodbye.